Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box because you will be transferred to the website in which you can find those codes. So if you will forget about them, then you can always check them and use them on your device. Alright, so let's start by opening the dialer and let me enter the code which is probably the most known. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we're provided with the email number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you a similar code which will open the maximum SAR level. It is *#07#, so the only difference. And thanks to this code, we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me show you another code which should open the software information, and the code is *#6776#. And here we've got the software version, so we can check the model, kernel version, branch, PCB number, etc. Let's go back and let me show you another code which is also a technical one. It is *#triple. And I forgot that I have to remove the previous code. It is *#888#. And thanks to this code, we can enter the hardware version. So basically, we can check the PCB number. What is more, we can scan this QR code with another device and check some further details about the hardware. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the firmware version, and the code is pretty easy to remember because it is *#1234#. And here we've got the information about the version. What is more, we can also open the section with the about phone information, and it is *##, 4 O's, ###. And again, we've got the device information, so it is pretty similar to the previous code which I've shown you because you can check the model, the hardware version, baseband version, etc. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the feedback menu, which is quite interesting. It is *#800#. And as you can see here, we've got the feedback menu. If you will open it for the very first time, you will have to give the permission. But basically in this section, if you meet some problems with your device, so for example with the screen, the touch screen, the multimedia, the camera, etc., you can always record the screen. So for example here in the touch screen issues, let's tap on always allow. Your device will be allowed to record the screen and capture any problems you meet. And then after that, you will be able to send it to the developer. Just tap on start and then record the problem you meet. Let's go back and let me show you another code, another technical code which will open the diagnostics. And the code is *##, 426###. And as I said, we're in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, and time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option, tap on the status, and as you can see, here we've got more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code for this device, which will open the calendar info. And the code is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.